Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here and warm welcome to Ashish Kyal ट्रेनिंग गुरुकुल। दोस्तों आप सभी को सैटरडे में देख के बहुत मजा आया है, बट आई नो देयर वाज सम टेक्नोलॉजी ग्लिच जिस कारण से आप पूरा वेबिनार नहीं अटेंड कर पाए। बीच का थोड़ा पार्ट मिस हो गया, लेकिन फिर भी आप बहुत सारे जन थे जो बने हुए थे, डटे हुए थे एंड तक, एंड इट वाज सिंपली फैंटास्टिक टू सी that you people are ready to commit yourself, your time to learn and become one of the finest traders. And that is what inspires me from all of you, that you are committed and you want to become one of the finest traders. And that is lovely. So a very, very warm welcome again. And I'm going to show you something very interesting that I'm doing with respect to crypto trading. And it is simply amazing. So I started with 11,850 capital, और फिलहाल वो कैपिटल है 3 लाख रुपीज। सो मेरा अकाउंट वैल्यू 3 लाख हो चुका है 11,850 से। लेकिन ये पूरा ट्रेडिंग का नहीं है दोस्तों, इसमें ट्रेडिंग का एक पार्ट है। दूसरा पोर्शन है वो रेफरल्स है एंड थोड़ी बहुत चीजें है थोड़ा। तो बट ट्रेडिंग का कितना बना वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा। सो ट्रेडिंग में से 11,850 में से आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अक्रॉस हाउ मच आई हैव मेड एंड द बेस्ट ऑफ द क्रिप्टो ट्रेड दैट आई हैव डन so far in my life has been the Trump win. If you remember, I have talked about talking and tweeting and webinars में मैंने कहा था I'm expecting Trump to win this time because of the social media polarization that he did along with Musk, and that is what has resulted into it. Because if you remember, the first time when Trump won, it was again very clearly the social media that helped him to take that edge about 8 years back, I suppose. And again, when he won now, it's a very systematic way in which these things have functioned. With Musk taking over, Elon Musk taking over Twitter about I think 1.5 years back, exactly when it was required, making it the platform and going all in along with Trump with that social media. And that I think worked out seemingly fantastic for him. And that is what I betted on. And I betted on crypto that अगर ट्रम्प जीतेगा तो क्रिप्टो इज गोइंग टू गो अप, बट दैट्स नॉट इट, बिकॉज ये तो मेरा कन्विक्शन था। बट चार्ट्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं एंड आई कैन क्लियरली सी दैट charts have shown very, very clearly a positive third wave to start in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and it was about to happen, and it was fantastic. One of the best trades I have taken on my experimental portfolio, which is of $100, जो मैंने bet किया था, I made up approximately $1,200 out of it. तो $100 futures लॉन्ग करके $1,200 बना। It was simply super, but risk bhi tha. My risk was approximately, if I would have gone wrong, I would have ended up losing somewhere around $300. But against that, I made it 4 times of that. So $100 converted into 1,200 कैसे हुआ वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा। मैंने ट्वीट भी किया था, शेयर भी किया था, कहाँ बाय किया, मेरा एग्जिस्टिंग पोजीशंस क्या, ये सारी चीजें let me just share across very quickly with you all. And if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe the channel, like it, share it across, put your comments down there. It's very important for me. And let me just very quickly start by showing you the account equity, which I have taken from my phone. This is from my phone because it shows much clearer. I'll go to the latest chart also. If you look at, this is where I started. This is approximately 60 days, and 11,850 was my account value, and now my account value is 3 lakh. You can clearly see. और जो बीच में आप देख रहे हैं दोस्तों, ये जो flat line है, that shows I didn't do much in this period. I was, most of the time I was inactive, and I don't track it daily. I look at opportunity and I enter. And the best period that I have had was converting this 2 lakh into a 3 lakh again here. Not 2 lakh. I betted only $100 and made $1,200. So converted $100, which is 8,500 rupees, को converted into a lakh. That's what is. So ये जो spike up आप देख रहे हैं equity में, these are all the trades that I have taken. These are all the trades which I have been taking, which resulted into these spikes on the upside. Okay. Let me go on the P&L analytics now to show you the exact numbers and figures. And दोस्तों, always remember there is risk going to be involved here. It's not risk free. So ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. If you are trading crypto, risk is much more higher because the volatility is much higher. So, but is Elliott wave working, is time cycle working. That is why I created this experimental portfolio and trying to build up on that कि यार ये चल रहा है कि नहीं. So ये experimental portfolio है. My aim is to convert that 11,850 into a 10 lakh. If that happens, I'm only going to position size and increase my positions to 2 or 3 times and start trading on that. That's how I experiment when I start something different and something new. I don't do that with Indian equity markets because I have those tested portfolios, strategies, which I've been doing since years. This is because I'm testing the waters of crypto और क्या Elliott wave time cycle का concept इन चीजों पे चलता है अच्छे से. And I'm shocked to see the accuracy is much more on this Bitcoin and Ethereum than on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And it is like, wow. So let me just very quickly share across my screens where I have logged in my exact account where I am trading right now. And this is on Delta Exchange platform. Link, you can see it in, if you want, you can check the link in my comment section or description. Also, there is a private Telegram group which I'm creating for crypto traders. If you are on Delta Exchange platform, you can join that group as well. So this is the equity curve which I showed you earlier. Now P&L analytics देखते हैं because as I said इसमें referrals भी है. So नीचे अगर हम देखेंगे total realized P&L, if you check here, if you are able to check the realized P&L is this one where I made 2,12,000. This is in INR and I started with 11,850 as I'm saying. So 11,850 converted to 2,12,000. मैथमेटिक्स कर लो कितना टाइम्स हो गया. 10 टाइम्स भी नहीं, 20 टाइम्स हो गया ना करीबन, आई थिंक approximately. So that's what I can see here has happened and this is just 2 months of time. मतलब I think approx 65 days हुआ होगा. 60 days से थोड़ा ऊपर 65 days होगा. And the last trade was the best one as I can tell you. The average loss still remains 9,640 क्योंकि 2 ही बार लॉस हुआ है. ये देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर, और इसलिए 9,640 एवरेज लॉस अभी भी दिख रहा है विच इज, अगर मैं वापस लूज करूंगा 3,000 रुपीज तो एवरेज लॉस भी कम हो जाएगा. टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स टेकन 21, accuracy nearly 86% and that's fantastic, right? On crypto. And risk reward देखो, risk reward is rocket. So that's what you can clearly see all over here. That's the funding with respect to the fees of all of those things. That's irrelevant. So what is relevant is what I'm showing here and this equity curve. So I'm right now at 2.91, started at 11,000. ये तो 27,000 दिख रहा है, 11,850 इसके थोड़े पहले जाएंगे तो वहां पर. So this is about how the P&L has worked and the best of the trade is the last 7 days of curve. Not even last 7 days. I would rather say last few days where it was account value was 1.86 and now 3 lakh because of the trade on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let me go on the chart now and show you. So I'm just showing this is possible. Risk is there. Use your stop loss. Now I'm going to go on the chart and show across what it looks like now. मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मेरे पास ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे एक चार्ट ओपन कर रखा है मैंने. Let me share that right now with you over here. This is Ethereum and I've been betting on it when it was, so मेरा buy price था 2,416. I can show you on the on my platform also if you want. So this is where I bought Ethereum. This is where I bought Ethereum and this is where I sold now. Yesterday night stop loss trail हो गया, $120 का ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप था, ट्रेल हो गया. Converted this into a 30% of move. So ये 30% का मूव है दोस्तों, 30% of move है which you can clearly see. And कौन सी साइंस थी? 2 चीज यूज की, बिटकॉइन पे टाइम साइकिल और इथेरियम पे एलियट वेव. एंड आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ थर्ड वेव की शुरुआत होनी चाहिए इथेरियम पे एंड इट स्टार्टेड विद अ बैंग. It started with a bang and you can clearly see that. Now you can see it's Trump victory or it's time cycle or it's wave theory. क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? So मेरा जो conviction था Trump will win, that is also confirmed by my chart कि यहाँ से थर्ड वेव की शुरुआत होनी चाहिए. And that's why I bought there with $120 का stop loss, just this much. इतना भी नहीं था, I think $120 का stop था खाली, और वहां पर बाय किया and from 2146 was my buy price. I remember 2416 was my buy price. From 2416 till 3200 of move, classic move, super trend, and that's what happened. So abhi karna kya hai? Many of you also want to know about Bitcoin cycle. So let me just open up, and Bitcoin के ऊपर भी अगर आप देखेंगे, this is the daily time cycle of Bitcoin, which has worked. Simple price action area, support area, bounce back, and time cycle rocked again. So this is the time cycle period. I was expecting post 18th October, time is on the buy, and Bitcoin is rocketed. This is 58 period of time cycle that you see here on the chart. And so what to do now? Nothing. I booked my profits. I am out now, and I've shared what I have done. Now I have to wait. I'll go on 1 hour time frame also. This is 1 hour time cycle chart, and 1 hour के ऊपर I'm little okay to use this cycle. थोड़ा सा delay हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा spikes tops बन रहा है, तो थोड़ा मैं experiment कर रहा हूँ. I'm not giving you numbers in terms of hourly कि कहाँ पर आपको यूज करना है. What I'm saying is बिटकॉइन को मैं फिर से देखने का वाला हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व ऑन 16th नवंबर 3:30 के अराउंड, विच मींस पोस्ट 16th नवंबर वापस शायद बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी बिटकॉइन पे मिलेगी. फिलहाल के लिए मार्केट ऊपर जा चुका है. सो व्हाट शुड माय ट्रेड नाउ? लेट मी गो ऑन माय डेल्टा एक्सचेंज प्लेटफॉर्म अगेन, एंड इफ यू लुक एट डेल्टा एक्सचेंज, आई एम गोइंग टू गो ऑन बिटकॉइन नहीं, मैं इथेरियम पे जाऊंगा, बिकॉज इथेरियम का वेव पैटर्न एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर है, और इथेरियम में अंडर परफॉर्म किया अभी तक, आउट परफॉर्म नहीं किया फिलहाल के लिए. और यहां मैं डालूंगा बॉलिंग अप बैंड्स का एक चार्ट. अगर आपने प्रायर वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं दोस्तों, तो मेरे प्रायर वीडियोस भी चेक कर लेना, जहां पर मैंने आपको बताया है कि यहां पर मैं ट्रेड ले रहा हूं होने के पहले. तो अगर आपने नहीं देखा है, इसके पहले वाला प्लेलिस्ट है, वो चेक करिए, वेर यू कैन सी व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग दैट ट्रेड एट दैट लेवल बिफोर इट हैपेंड. ओके, होने के बाद नहीं बोल रहा हूं दोस्तों, होने के पहले की बात कर रहा हूं. एंड इफ आई लुक एट इट, it has already trending. Now I need some kind of a consolidation or dip. आया तो ठीक, नहीं तो वेट करेंगे. यहां से दिस इज डेली चार्ट. I'll go on 1 hour chart. I need some kind of a retracement of the support. So we are currently in wave 1, and we need wave 2 to come down. So I think this can be wave 2 starting here, and we might get it back towards that 2,970 to 900. I'm not selling. I'm bullish. I will buy. I'll use dips to buy. Do not try to catch a top here. But I'm only, if you check मेरे जितने भी पास 2 महीने के वीडियोस है, I have never talked about selling this crypto. I've always talked about buying, क्योंकि मूड पॉजिटिव है, सिंस थर्ड वेव है, एंड थर्ड वेव को मुझे खाली एंटर करना देखना है, मुझे और कुछ दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. कहाँ एंटर करना है मुझे वो सोचना है. And that's what I have been doing since 2 months, and able to make that 11,850 into a 2 lakh kind of a capital right now. So aim is, can I convert into 10? 10 lakh देखते हैं, but always stop loss भी लगाऊंगा, ट्रेल भी हो सकता है, ट्रिगर भी हो सकता है, कैपिटल लॉस भी हो सकता है, वो सारी चीजें है फिलहाल. तो but I'm not funding my account. I'm going to only use what is existing, and let's see if I blow it up, make it zero, or make it double again from here. So 20 times हुआ है, but यहाँ से real signs start, because I'm not going to leverage to make it 10 times again. I'm going to leverage only to the extent where I can double it, and then again double it. So I'm now reducing my position. I'm keeping my original positions that I'm taking, and that's how I'm playing it around. So दोस्तों, ये था मूड. इथेरियम पे बाय है, बिटकॉइन पे बाय है, फिलहाल वेट करना है. You will get options here, you will get futures here, but understand the science before you trade. It's going to be fantastic. I thought I'll quickly come and explain you this. This platform is Delta. You can get the link from the description or the bio. And right now, if you like this kind of videos, then do share across your comments and like and subscribe the channel. साथ ही में दोस्तों, हमारा काल चक्र होने वाला है, which is over the weekend, this weekend. And if you want to be a part of this Kal Chakra, which is known as time cycle training, then you need to be enrolling in the link, which is again in the description, where I'll be doing 2 days of exhaustive trading on time cycle and you can apply that on Nifty, Bank Nifty. You can apply this on cryptos like I'm showing you it across, and you can apply it on any and every instrument, right from 5 minutes daily, hourly, 15 minutes, and you can derive targets using price action. ये सारी चीजें आप लोग कर सकते हो, but for that you need to give your time to me. If you give your time to me, I will share across what I do, how I do it, and it works for me. So it will work for you, provided आप disciplined way से practice कर रहे हो और stop loss के साथ काम कर रहे हो. Okay, thank you very much for joining here, and I hope you liked it. Ashish Kyal signing off. See you again soon, and do check out the prior playlist on cryptocurrency where it will show you why I took the trade when I was expecting Trump to win. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.